In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a group chat on Talkie AI. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so go ahead and open up your Talkie AI app as you normally would on your mobile device. Now, once you've opened it up, you want to click on your profile icon, bottom right-hand corner of the screen here. And now make sure to log in. So I'm going to log in with my Google credentials. So wait for this to pop up. Click Tutorial Whiz here. And now this is signing me in. All right, now when you're on this page here and you're being signed in, click onto the plus icon at the bottom of the page here, middle bottom. And now inside Creative Center. And now you see these little tabs here, Create Story, Create Card, Create Group. Go ahead and click on Create Group. And now you can create your group chat here. So you can keep it public or private, enter a name. So I'm just going to put in test for this demonstration. Give it a description. So description here. And then from here you can add in group chat members. So click the plus icon. And then you can create relationships among members in this group chat. Then once you've done all that stuff, go ahead and click on confirm creation. And then you've just created your group chat on Talkie AI.